Welcome to TechStunner, your destination for cutting-edge unboxing experiences. Join us as we explore the excitement of unboxing, one tech treasure at a time. Subscribe now and never miss a thrilling unboxing moment. Here we go.
Hey tech enthusiasts! Today let's dive into the all-new Xiaomi Mix Flip. Released on July 19, 2024, this dual SIM, GSM plus GSM flip-style smartphone is already turning heads. First up, the design. It's a sleek clamshell that measures 74 by 167.5 by 7.6 mm and weighs just 190 grams. Available in black, white, and purple, it's got style and substance. The display is pure eye candy. You get a 6.86-inch LTPO AMOLED screen with a 240 Hz touch sampling rate, 120 Hz refresh rate, and a punch-hole notch. With Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and a whopping 3000 nits peak brightness, this screen is built for the best visual experience. And yes, it's foldable. Memory and storage, you're looking at 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. No card slot, but with that kind of storage, you probably won't need one. Connectivity options are top-notch too. 5G support, dual VoLTE, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth 5.4, and even an IR blaster. Plus, a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and face unlock for security. Now, let's talk cameras. The rear setup is impressive with a 50MP wide angle and a 50MP telephoto lens, both with Leica optics. You can shoot 4K videos at 60 FPS, and the front 32MP camera is perfect for high-quality selfies and video calls. Under the hood, it's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset with an octa-core processor and Adreno 750 GPU. Running on Android 14 with Xiaomi's HyperOS, it's smooth and fast. Lastly, the battery. A 4780 mAh non-removable battery with 67W fast charging ensures you're powered up quickly. It even supports 5W reverse charging. So, there you have it. The Xiaomi Mix Flip is a game changer in foldable phones. Packed with high-end specs and innovative features, it's ready to flip your world upside down. Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. Catch you in the next one.
Enjoying our content? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Don't miss out on future videos. Subscribe now for more exciting content, and click the video appearing on the screen to continue watching. Otherwise, see you next time. I'm Sarah from TechStunner. Have a nice day.